Hello and welcome. My name is Liability, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change your icon inside of UEFN to have a square thumbnail similar to one of these. So to start, you're going to open the project that you desire. In this case, I already have it open. You're going to navigate to this project tab and go to Open Project Folder. Now when you get here, you'll notice a plugins folder. You're going to open that, open it one more time. And inside of here is where you want to put that image. So we're going to take this image here, we're going to copy and paste it over. So now you see we have icon image 2. Now I'm going to rename it to something a little bit more intuitive for me. And I'm going to call it project underscore icon. Now we note that it's a PNG file. So we'll go back to 2 steps. So plugins, back to our root of our project. And you're going to see this UEFN project file. So when you open this UEFN project file, it should open either in VS Code, in Notepad, or ask you what program you want to open it in. It doesn't really matter what you open it in, so long as you just ensure you save the changes. So here in your plugin folder, you're going to notice this key art key, and there's no value set for it. So that value needs to be what you just named your image as. So if we backtrack twice, we will see, we're going to see project icon.png. So we want to name this project icon.png. Then all I need to do is hit Control S, and that's how you save a file in VS Code. Close that. We are going to close our UEFN, because if you notice, as you can see here, we still don't see that image. So what we're going to do is we're going to close UEFN, and then we are going to reopen UEFN. And you'll notice now we have our icon for our project.